What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are going to my first car show ever. Not my first car show, but it's a tuner car show. Over here in Mississippi where I live, it's a lot of like hot rods. We have some slam cars over here, but we really don't have that many. I know most of the people that have like tuner cars in central Mississippi. I know most of them, but we're going to Slammedenuff Destin, and I'm pretty much just gonna try and vlog the trip as much as I can. I'm going with my girlfriend, Big Flex. Me and my girlfriend are taking both of our cars. Like, I feel like that's kind of like a cool thing, is like you and your girl drive y'all's cars to a car show for slammed tuner cars. It's freaking awesome. The Z is, it is not a very, there's not a lot of room in the Z for like road trip stuff, but I made it work. Let me show you guys. All right, so here's the Z, got it all nice and clean, just a little detail this morning. We got our 350s for when we go out to dinner, gotta look nice. We got a penny board, gonna go ride that down there. We got a chair for when we're sitting, all the clothes, and then we got the full basket of detailing stuff. Gonna wash it, at those pressure washing places when we get down there. I pretty much completely detailed the interior. It is looking very nice. Did some upholstery cleaner. Pretty much did as much as I can. Made my Nismo, my Z emblems shine pretty bright. But like I said, it's not a very big road trip car. Anna is taking an exam, and I'm gonna wait for her to get here. And right when she gets here, we're gonna leave, and we are going to do the 5.5-hour trip from Jackson, Mississippi to Destin, and I'll keep you guys updated when she gets here.
Outside in a all-black crowd, 10 rolled up when I'm out. Say they all wanna live, but I just wanna die. Motherfucker, if you're looking for me, find me in the net. I got nothing, wanna fight, I wanna take your fucking life and end it right on sight when I strike. If you
All right, guys, Anna's pulling up. All right, she's here. We made it. We are about to freaking get some Chick-fil-A, and we are gonna get on the road. Let's go. All right, guys, we're at the Chick-fil-A drive-thru. About to get us some. I'm just gonna get me a chicken sandwich. I'm not super hungry. We gonna live it up.
take me home, it's the one place I can rest in peace. Turned off my phone, so many messages I wish I could just delete. Questioning my existence, questioning my decisions, burning down all the bridges. Think about now I've been there.
We made it into Destin. We have made it to our motel. It's not really a hotel. It's kind of
It's fine.
it's something else, but we made it. We're just taking a break after a super long drive. We only took like one stop, so we're just taking a break right now. I'll show you guys this place. All right, so we got a nice table. This couch kind of looks like a horror movie couch, I'm not gonna lie. Then we got the table, mirror, all of our stuff, Oh, and then these don't work. No light. Got a big bed though. No, it doesn't feel right. We have a microwave and a mini fridge.
It's just a normal
And then
hotel room.
this is weird right here because there's carpet with a sink. I don't know what they were thinking there. They were just too lazy to extend the bathroom out
Babe,
just a
Kurt
little bit.
Walker's hotel reviews.
And then, it was this little dinky place. But we're broke. It is what it is. We take what we can get. So, yeah, try and vlog some more when we go in and do some car meets or meet up with some friends. We made it to Rocky Tacos. We're going to the second floor.
Already halfway through my burger, but we eating it.
They just got done eating. We're so full. It was delicious. When you say it was delicious,
It hurts.
but it was good. Good morning, everybody. My forehead is getting exposed right now in the wind, But we have made it to the beach. It's the next morning. Anna got sleep, but I really didn't, honestly. But it's okay. We're up, ready to go. We got our monsties, and we're just gonna have some fun on the beach until we gotta go do some car stuff. Before we came to the beach, me and Anna, we stopped to get some gas, and the gas 93 was $4.30. I spent more than I ever have and only got 13 gallons. I didn't even fill up. My wallet is hurting. I don't see how you people like do that every day. Y'all just fill up for over $40 and $4.93 all the time. I don't see how you do it. So congrats to y'all on having expensive gas, but I don't like it. Okay, we are back at the motel. Now we're gonna go do some mini golfing. Yeah, we're just really playing it by ear. I mean, we're just kind of making up things as we go. So we over here, I'm getting ice cream. I got Moose Tracks, and then she got a sundae that looks amazing. I don't know, what was it, like brownie batter or something like that?
Yes, so good.
Super good. All right, guys, before we went mini golfing, we actually stopped over here to get our cars washed. Anna's going ahead doing those right now. And my car is over there, already done. We just stopped to do this while we had time. We're still gonna go play mini golf, and then pre-meet is at 6. We made it to mini golf finally. Woo! Let's go. And there's a 7-person family in front of us, so might take a minute. T-Rex alert! Distractions for the golfer here. Oh shit, dog. Whoa! Wow. Let's see the finishing shot. Okay, you got me wet and yourself wet.
Blue boo-boo water on my face.
Let's see that finishing move by Anna Claire.
Okay.
Not that far, but it's far away enough. There's the T-Rex. All right, guys, we're pulling up to the pre-meet. We're about 30 minutes early, but people are already showing up. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. We never get to see these cars in Mississippi. It's so cool.
Just because we're not alone, you echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same till the morning comes. Evil roads feel the sun so cold. Just because we're not alone, you echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because
yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, gang. My girl loves this car. Static. I know it's static, so yeah. It's pretty crazy. Queen asked me, got the Camry boys out here.
Only had a real camera.
Who?
One
Me?
of us with the real camera is not even here.
One day.
Ooh. Wow.
Dang. Alright, Jeremy, you up next.
Jeremy, you gotta get the rocker bunny kit.
You up next.
Oh, those sheets.
Wheels. What we on? The weds. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Those wheels are perfection.
There's a gang. Ain't shit out. It's the biggest wing I ever seen in my life. Up.
Get old, you gotta stretch.
Oh yeah. Look at that form. Woo! That was nice.
It is your turn.
I don't know how to do cartwheels.
Whoa! Okay! Yeah!
Let me see it.
5 months later, the video is finally up. I know this came out, this was so long ago, but honestly, Sony Vegas was just giving me so much trouble with my computer. Every time I would edit, it would just freaking crash over and over and over again. And I eventually just got fed up with it and I got lazy. I gave up. And that's why it takes so long. But we're back now. We're in Adobe Premiere Pro and feeling a lot better. I love the software way more. I can do way more. It's just easier to me. I don't know. You know, everybody's got their thing, but Sony Vegas, I was using 17. I just like Premiere Pro more. It is what it is, and it didn't make my computer crash every time I try to edit. But I've got plenty of videos ready to come up. Got Unconditional up there. But we've got plenty of things coming, guys, so stay tuned. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.